guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jasra and I create a ton of modest fashion videos similar to the one you're watching today. So if you like this, please make sure you subscribe. In today's video, I'll be sharing some fashion hacks to really help you elevate your look. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. That is all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, I forgot to mention I already have a part 1 to this series, so if you want to watch it, I'll link it here for you up at the top. And if you want a part 3, make sure to comment down below and let me know. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!